Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. And today, it is very early, so I won't be able to talk as loud today in these videos. But I'm going to be doing a no talking video where it's just music in the background, so you guys can hear that. I'm sorry about that Wi-Fi signal. I don't know what's going on wrong. And so I might be doing a few of these challenges if I don't lose. And I'll be trying to push to jungle. I doubt I'll be able to get there because last time I went down a few trophies. So let me just see that. That's fine. And I'm gonna go into actually 1v1 right now, just to go in. And I'm using my normal deck with Ice Wizards and not bats, because the bats I changed out. For Ice Wizards again. I like tapping this really fast. Can't clone a clone. Oh. Okay, that's fine. I'll just log back in, and then I'll just go back into a battle, and we're already in. That's great. Okay, see you guys at the end. Bye. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm just gonna walk you guys through this 2v2 that I'm doing right now. So far they've had Balloon Rage and Goblin Gang so far. And I just wanted to start talking to you guys again so I could actually get to know you. As you saw, those two challenge battles were not the best. I lost both of them. So I'm out of the challenge now. But that's fine. So, oops, did not mean to do that. But to place them up there. Okay, Ice Wizard, slow them down. Listen to my hog as well. So yeah, he's gonna tornado those skeletons. Wasn't really a good choice, but it worked. So my princess is gonna take out that tower. Then I'm gonna go in with Minion Horde, see if my teammate does anything. He did after they shot down everything. So I do not have my Minion Horde anymore, but he does. So hopefully those minions can take out his. Okay, that's fine. I just need to get some chip damage done now. Okay. Need a look, sir. You can see he has a Mega Knight in his hand right now. So, very lucky. Oh, good job, dude. Good job. He tornadoed them straight into our King Tower. So they activated it. I'm gonna try to send it a pretty big push. Okay, so he zaps it, which did quite a bit of damage. They're mini hoarding it. Oh no, that's bad. I'm gonna send a princess on this side again. And they no longer have their arrows. But he's gonna place that. I'm gonna try to help him out. Oh, but he airs it. That's fine. Did not mean to place Hog Rider, but that works. Okay. Okay, well that whole push got shut down. But that's fine. Pulling them back, that's a good idea. Never should have done that. The wizard was there, gonna take him out anyway. Okay, I lost. That's fine though, because you lose some and you win some. So, that's gonna be the end of this video. See you guys in the next video. See ya.